Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a folder within your Clickup space. So in the hierarchy of how Clickup works, you're going to do a space and then you'll do a folder and then a list or a doc. Typically you're going to have lists be housed within a folder. They could be out on their own if it's just like a quick jot down of a couple things. But let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to be right here in this little test space that I have. I'm going to click the plus. You can click folder right here. You can click folder over there since I haven't created anything yet, but I'm going to just click there. Now we can name the folder. I'm just going to call this folder 1, and then we can add some statuses if we want. Right now, it's just going to keep the ones from the space, which is just to do, and in progress are the active ones, and then complete are the done ones. You can add custom statuses here. You can also add them later on. So if you don't want to add this quite yet until you've done a little bit more thinking, you've done a little bit more figuring out what you need, no problem. You can either just click save or back. You can choose this private or not. You can use a template, but just quickly to create it, I'm just going to click create. And there we go. If we wanted to go back and use a template, we could. We can do that. You can do the folder settings, which will allow you to do task statuses, edit the folder, different automations that you want, folder color. Let's go ahead and change it to green. So that's a nice color, and a bunch of different things. But that's just kind of a quick how to create a folder within Clickup. From here, you can do different automations that apply to just this folder. You can make a list from that folder, and then do the board, create dashboards for it, what have you. But hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. Check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below.